Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, and I want to show you some very interesting chart action, Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, specifically how they are exactly lockstep, following each other. We're going to look at that on my TradingView chart. But I also want to tie that to a discussion related to whale money and institutional money coming back into the overall market, which is translating to a good thing for Bitcoin and also translating to a good thing for Dogecoin. Because the fact of the matter is that Dogecoin is the community meme coin. It is, okay? Still ranked number 8 in the overall top 100 cryptos, massive market cap. And thus, I firmly see and believe that starting in fourth quarter of this year, Dogecoin is going to start moving. And I think we're going to absolutely rebound and hit our all-time highs and past that, okay? Because I firmly believe that the catalyst that we have out there for Doge, Elon, Tesla, the Q1 of 2022 rocket, Doge on the moon and all that stuff that we've talked about previously is all in play. Doge is in a quasi state of hibernation right now, hovering around the 19-cent range, really not doing a tremendous amount. Did a video on it yesterday, but I really wanted to talk about this because I think I need to continue to talk to you guys about Doge for those of you guys who are out there holding Doge, and just continue to let you know that it's all good and it's just more, it's a long-term hold. And I've talked about that previously. I'm upside down in my Doge right now. I know that a lot of you probably are, unless you bought into it way back in the day. So that's something I want to talk to you about in this video. So I hope that you enjoy that. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think that Doge is going to go up in the fourth quarter? Drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So let's go check it out. Here we go. All right, so I do want to talk to you real quick about my Patreon group. You've probably seen other videos. So basically, I do have my own private group now where I do share my crypto portfolios. You get firsthand knowledge of brand new hot cryptos that I'm looking at. These are cryptos that I usually don't even talk about on my YouTube channel. So these are hot tips on cryptos you might want to get into. In fact, I sent out a trade alert on one last night. There was one that's about to pop as well. So inside members get access to that. We've also got a private Discord over there where we got a community, and we've got other members in the group that are dropping hot tips on brand new cryptos as well. So that's something of interest to you. Check that out. Also, I haven't ever talked about this, but I just got approved from YouTube for this. See this little join button that you see below the video, right below this video, you'll actually see one. This is an example of one. If you click on that, it actually will show you where you can get access to a YouTube membership to be able to get access to a couple different levels here on my channel to get you preferential treatment in comments, as well as when I do live streams. You get to kind of move to the top of the list. I see you as a member. So if that's something you care about and you want to have a little bit more visibility to me, you get a little bit of preferential treatment. You get badges and emojis and preferential treatment on comments as well as live streams. Check that out. Hit that little join button right there. Okay, so let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin right now, as I said, it's trading flat. It's really not doing a lot. It's at 20 cents. It's moved up and down a little bit in the last 7 days. You can see we had a nice little bounce up. We've hit right down in that 18.97 and kind of we did rebound from that. It is what it is right now. I'm just going to state that up front, okay? So I'm not going to really get into the price action per se and all that kind of stuff because we've all talked about it. We know what it is. And I firmly believe that right now in the foreseeable future for the next month or so, Doge is probably going to stay where it's at unless Elon does something, unless something happens, then we'll see some movement up there. Now, what I want to show you, though, is a very interesting deal. Now, this is Bitcoin's chart. You can see that, and by the way, this is a TradingView chart, and by the way, every candlestick you see is a 1-hour chart. So I want to point out two key things here. I want to show you that Bitcoin bottomed here, and then it rebounded here, okay? So that's what I want to show you. Now, look at the exact same thing on Dogecoin. Dogecoin bottomed here, then rebounded here. Okay, if you've never believed that Doge follows Bitcoin, you should, period. Okay, see it? It's right there. And I could go back and show you. It does it even further back. It all basically is the same. Look at this, almost exactly the same price action here. Look, this little down, up, down. Whoops, sorry about that. Down, up, down. Same thing. Okay. Why should you care? You should care because you always need to look at not just Dogecoin. Don't just look at Doge. You need to look at Dogecoin in the context of the larger overall market conditions, period. Okay? Number one, Doge follows Bitcoin. That's a good thing. So as Bitcoin will continue to incrementally rise 2 or 3 or 4 or 5% a day or whatever it may do, it will follow, Doge will follow it gradually up as well. Okay? Which is in and of itself its own catalyst, if you think about that. It's not a standalone catalyst like Elon saying, okay, we now accept Doge for payment for Tesla. Okay? As an example. So you get this kind of dual catalyst scenario playing out. You get, because Dogecoin is, $26 billion market cap, and because it's a major held fund, coin, stock guy, there it was, majorly held stock with a coin, damn it. It has a massive market cap, and it will move along with Bitcoin. Yes, when Bitcoin goes down, Doge will go down. That's what's been happening, by the way. That's why Doge has continued to incrementally move down, because Bitcoin has continued to incrementally move down. But as Bitcoin will continue to rise, and all indicators are is that it will, in fourth quarter, guys, it is going to take off, if not sooner. There is absolutely merit to the fact that Bitcoin is going to be $100,000 plus coin in the near future. Oh, by the way, and we're going to talk about this, hedge funds are about to start moving more and more money in because they see the crypto market decline as an investment opportunity right here, this title. Okay? They see it. What is that? It's funny. That just changed on me. That's weird. Okay. They must have redid that headline. From rebalancing cash into announcing new investment, hedge funds seem to undeterred by the crypto market decline. I don't want you to. Thank you. The point here is that, oh, now I can highlight it. Cool. Okay. So it was weird. On an earlier version of this, I couldn't highlight this. So I'll come back to this. My point to you is this, is that Bitcoin and Doge will rise and fall together. That's a good thing. And it is what it is. Hate it, love it, don't hate it. You can't fight it. It is what it is, right? And so we embrace it and we go, all right, it's all good. Okay. Now let's talk about whale money. Let's talk about institutional money, hedge fund money moving into Doge. It will happen. It is. There is, I guarantee you, institutions have positions in Doge. They do. I guarantee you. At number 8 market cap in the overall crypto market, you betcha they do. Okay. Now, my point to you is this. This whole article talks about the fact that the crypto market capitalization is down 40% since its high. Okay. But it also talks about the fact that because of that, guess what? It is an opportunity. Okay, I'm going to say it out loud. Yes, I firmly believe that it was the institutions, hedge funds, market manipulation by whales that pushed the price down for Doge, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. Yep, I'm saying it straight up. Okay? All right. Nothing we can do about it as retail investors sitting out here. We have to embrace it and go, all right, I hear you. What's the positive? The positive is now that we've reached these bottoms, we're going to start moving back up at some point. Do I know when? No, I don't know. I don't know the exact time. But historically, summers have been not good for the overall, for any of the equity markets, including crypto, stocks, etc. And now that money will start to flow back in fourth quarter. Absolutely, by fourth quarter, October, November, December, fourth quarter, we will continue to move up. I think we will start to see incremental gains before that. Doge will start to move back up. Okay, so this article talks about that at length. Okay, and I'll drop a link below, guys. I'll drop a link to this article below this video if you want to go read this, because here's what it really says. It basically talks about the fact that crypto investment appeal is very, very strong to the institution whale money out there. They will start to build more and more products around it and that will bring retail investment dollars. It's retail money that's being represented by obviously the hedge funds and the institutional money. Okay, it will start to flow into crypto, which will move the price of crypto up. Okay, so again, this was talking about whale and institution money moving into Doge, and it's happening, and it will continue to happen more. All right, it is what it is. Let's embrace it. Let's move on. All right, guys, take it easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you. Bye.